I've got my example table here, which has these black outlines applied to it, but I've also got all these empty cells here. One thing I can do is go to View, Show, and then toggle off grid lines. So the default gray grid lines for all cells has been removed, except for those cells that have this outline applied to it. So that makes it a little less distracting. I'm just going to undo this. Also, there's quite a lot of extra space here that I might not need to use. What you can do is actually just delete extra columns. So I'm going to shift select C, go all the way and shift select Z, and then right click and just delete the columns. So it actually just gets rid of them and just adds this nice gray area to any unused space. And the same thing goes for rows. If I want to, I can do a shift select and then go all the way down to 1000 and just delete all the rows. And you get this nice compressed table here, this nice compressed sheet. And of course, you can just add extra rows here. In fact, it gives you an option here. So I can add 10 extra rows if I want to. And then for columns, you can just go here and I can insert a column to the left or a column to the right and just add extra columns as well. So you can always remove and add columns depending on how complex your sheet is.